Hey everybody, so I got some awesome Happy Mail today. I was so excited. I ordered this from a company, it's called Artful Days, and I'll put that in a link to them. I found them through Mixed Up Media on Facebook, which I'll probably add a link in the thing for that too. And it's funny because I bought the first stuff from these guys to go with a kit. They went with Mixed Up Media, the new academy they've got. And I got it in like less than 2 weeks from the UK. I was like, this is awesome. This one took almost a month. I was starting to wonder what happened, but I got it, so let me grab some scissors, which I didn't realize I didn't have. So let's get some scissors. And I bought another tutorial from Mixed Up Academy, and there was a few things I was like, oh, I need to have that. So I bought more stuff. So, oh, look at the pretty bag. Look at the pretty bag I got. And a nice little thank you. I like that. I think I want to keep the bag. Reminds me of the Union Jack boots that the one drag queen was wearing in Kinky Boots that we saw on the weekend. Alrighty, so for some reason I thought everything was going to be bigger, but I guess the stuff I bought was mostly little, so. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I guess I don't know why I was expecting it to be bigger, because I got mostly like resins and such like things, so yeah, I should not have expected them to be very huge. So yes, the bill, we'll look at that later, but I'll make sure I got everything. You know, if I do that on camera. So alright, so right, treasure trove. So yes, okay, so I've got a butterfly and some wings, and these are actually little resins, so I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, little resins, and they're really nice because they got a lot of texture on them, so they'll be really great when you add paint and stuff to them. This is actually why I went shopping, is for this tiny little heart. It's a steampunk heart. I'm not sure if you can see. There's some black to put over here. See if you can see it up against this. I'm not sure if you can see it that well. Where'd it go? Yeah, it's probably hard to tell, but it's actually cool. It's a little heart, and it's got like gears and stuff on it, because it's all steampunky. So that's actually one of the reasons I bought this. And of course, they've got an actual pocket watch, and this funky key. There, funky key, and a little bicycle. Yeah, oh yeah, I guess I shouldn't be surprised that it wasn't a very big package, because they're all tiny knickknacks. Another funky key. More gears. I have to get rid of this so you can see better. Try to keep the glare off of there, but oh, there. If I do that, yeah. So some more gears. Another fun little pocket watch. These are really cool. Some more gears. So yeah, so I have got silver gears, and I have got gold gears, and I have got copper gears. I can never have too many gears. Oh, and I got some more gears, obviously, like as I just said. So this is another resin piece. This one is, oh, that one might have, not quite sure if this came in, if it was supposed to be in pieces like this, or if it, oh, well, if it did, even if it broke, I can put it back together, but I think it actually was supposed to come that way. So it's hard to tell, but it's actually it's a resin watch, resin pocket watch with a little, there you go, little, hand thingies, whatever they're called. Oh, yeah, actually I got two of those watches. Yes, I did. I got two because they were different designs. I'm not sure if there you go. See, one's got sort of more gears on it, and one's just a pocket watch. So those are really cool. Oh, and I got a resin skull, sugar skull, just because it's really cool. You can't really tell with the white, but they are very textured. So maybe I'll have to take some pictures when I put them on my blog. So let's see. This is another steampunk piece. There's like wings and stuff. Sorry if it's hard for to kind of tell. That's another one. I think I might have just got two of those. Oh no, that's just the wings. So there you go. Sorry if you guys can't see these very well. Oh yeah, see, I did get two of the little hearts, two of the resin hearts. This one was cool. This is a funky star seaweed piece, which actually is going to go really well on this canvas that I did. Look at that. I painted this canvas, and I found these chipboard pieces that I'm going to put on it, so I'm going to have to find some better lighting, because there you go. I'm not sure if you can see. There we go. So, will that not look really cool on there? I think so. Alrighty. So, we'll put that back. And we'll leave that actually on there. Let's see, what else did we get? Oh. But I'll definitely put up the links on these, so you guys can see where I got this stuff. They're very cool. Oh yeah, these were little, I can see why they added these in paper. They're like little, it's kind of like their little glass bead that they've stuck the watch parts on. Let's see if I can put that really up close so you can see. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, so those are kind of cool. And then, what else should I get? Obviously this is a powder of some kind. Let's see. Oh, no. These are textures. They're little pearl pebbles. That's what they were. I forgot about those. So, yeah, those are kind of cool. They're little pebbles that are escaping. Yes, there we go. Yeah, they're little... Yeah, little pearls. So there we go. So that is my Artful Days order that I'm so happy I got. I was so looking forward to playing with all this stuff. So there you go. I will send a link so you guys can shop yourselves. And I'm not sure what else I'm going to get to do in this my craft room the rest of this month since I got so much going on. But talk to you guys later. Bye.